Hey everybody, Fred here with RedlineAutosports.com and RedlineMuscleCars.com. This is our gorgeous Cobalt Blue 72 short wide. It's got 68 front end, which is really cool. A lot of people love the 67 and 68 trucks. This thing is gorgeous. It's got brand new US mag wheels, 18s in the fronts, 20s in the back. Brand new Nexa tires, nice wood bed, just gorgeous paint. Beautiful black interior, bench seat with a fold down armrest, big back window, tilt wheel, vintage AC. Floor shifter. Tacking gauges, got the chrome column, all new wiring, really nice 3-spoke steering wheel. Great running little truck, beautiful paint inside. Got electric fans, aluminum intake, really nicely detailed inside. This gorgeous truck, great running truck. Lots of chrome, vintage AC, all the goodies. Aluminum radiator. AC blows ice cold. Wheels and tires really make the truck. Those US 10-spoke mag wheels are awesome. The wood bed is beautiful. Big old deep wheels and tires. True duals out the back. Chrome front and rear bumpers. Text Fred at 580-221-4326. Visit us on our website at RedlineMuscleCars.com. Awesome truck. Y'all have a blessed day.